Are you looking for a great little pocket cruiser? This Regal 2960 Commodore is awesome. She's very well powered with twin 5-liter EFI engines, cuts through the weight, has an awesome hull, and it's just been buffed and waxed, so she shines like a new dime. Now we saw the boat profiled on the water, and here we are back in the slip. Starting off starboard quarter bow, we can see just how nice she looks. We've got a nice covered windlass right there. And coming down along the side, we see there's room there for an LLI, ladies like it feature. You can have a nice sun pad made there and lay out on the dock. Regal does a very nice job with some upgrades. If you notice, we have stainless steel port lights right here. Stainless steel bimini, radar, grab handles in the radar arch. Down along the side here, we see we have an extended swim platform, adds more space to the vessel. We enter the vessel through the starboard door. If you notice, we have the vinyl teak decking here, nice U-shaped seating. This table actually lowers, drops down, and becomes a sun pad lounge area. This seat here also folds up out of the way. We've got a nice little wet bar right here, and a hot and cold transom shower right here. This is another LLI, ladies like it feature, nice portside lounger. They can face either direction. Access to the bow, nice and easy, step through the window, up and out. Here at the helm, we have a nice thigh rise bolster seat, wood tilt steering wheel. We've got a Garmin 741 XS and all of our gauges right up there. All of our rocker switches are within easy touch right here. There we go. There's a nice view of the cockpit right there. We enter the cabin through this bifold door, down a few steps, and here we are. Immediately to port, we have a head, fully lined fiberglass. We have the RV style shower right there. Over 6 feet of headroom, and we have a marine toilet and a tiled floor. Moving forward, we see we have our galley area right here with a dual burner electric stove right there. This gives us a lot of counter space for food prep. There's our microwave oven, little cabinet storage, and then below we have our refrigerator and more storage. This here was for a TV. You can now put a flat screen there. We've got a nice little hanging locker here. The V-berth on the slant is over 6 feet. We've got a privacy curtain here, storage underneath, storage drawers right there. Our booth style dinette also converts to a sleeping area. We do have some nice portholes right there. Some of the upgrades on this Regal: we have a marine tank monitor system, stereo, nice power system right there. Our shore power, 12 volts right there. This owner has upgraded. We've got a nice flat screen TV and stereo amplifier. The mid cabin is nice and accessible. We've got these open stairs. This also converts into a bed to give you even more sleeping area right here. These cushions here are fillers for the table, and then our sun pad cushion right there. This gives us a view forward. Regal makes an upscale boat. We've got upgraded vinyl materials, wood grain floor, lots of nice features. Come with me for a quick bottom inspection on this 2000 Regal 2960 Commodore. Here we are. We have her up on a borrowed trailer. We're going to do a quick bottom inspection and outdrive check. Starting off forward port bow. We get a sense of just how nice that gel coat is. Check out that sheen. Coming down along the side here, we see the bottom paint. Probably time to be renewed. What this pounding is for, we're looking for voids in the hull, any signs of delamination, any blisters, bubbles, or sign of hull weakness. Coming down along the side, we've got a good, nice, sharp wrap. And the surveyors can tell right where the bulkheads are. Transom's nice and solid. Right here, we've got our port drive. We've got a nice stainless steel prop. She's well powered with 5-liter EFI engines. The outdrives, the rams are in good condition. No signs of electrolysis here. The outdrive's nice and tight, up and down. Side to side, we've got a good prop spin, and the prop's in there nice and tight. No dings on that. Coming over here to the starboard, we see on the Alpha 1, same thing. Rams are in good condition. No signs of leakage. Outdrive's nice and tight, side to side. Up and down. And then we've got a good prop spin. No noise from that. No dings, dents on that prop. This is a custom swim step on this transom. You can see it's been added on. Got lots of support. Gives us a nice extra 2.5, almost 3 feet of usable boat space. And then here we are coming down starboard side. No hull voids, no blisters. Probably has another 5 or 6 months, another season left on the bottom paint. There we go. There's the bow entry right there. And here we are back to the bow on the starboard side.